What's up guys, I'm gonna show you in today's tutorial how to withdraw and connect your wallet to your Ggrass Airdrop account. So today's tutorial is a bit complicated, so I want you to keep up to the end and not miss out on any step. So, what you want to do is to choose a compatible wallet. Ensure you have a wallet that supports the token and the blockchain it operates on. Then you're gonna connect your wallet, and you can do that by going to Ggrass Airdrop website and then looking for the Connect Wallet button, usually found on the top right. Select your wallet type and follow the prompts to connect. Some airdrops require to complete a Know Your Customer process. Follow the instructions provided on the site. After your wallet is connected, check for a Claim Airdrop button or similar. Click it and confirm the transaction. Then, if your tokens are in smart contract, check if there's specific withdrawal option on the airdrop platform. If you need to transfer tokens on another wallet, use the wallet send transfer feature, input the recipient's address and confirm the transaction. And always ensure you're on the official site and double check any links, addresses to avoid scams. If you have any specific questions of the process, you can leave it in the comments and we will answer it in another video. And that's it guys.